Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It is a bit later in the day, it's like 3 p.m. or something. And yeah, everywhere is ice, so I'm not exactly sure where I'm going out, but I am anyways. I'm just gonna record a little bit. And yeah, it looks like there was some sort of cat or something which came here earlier in the day. It's just a bunch of paw prints. And yeah, we're currently going to go out and investigate what's going on. Okay, so the blizzard kind of like took an after effect, right? Because you know, the day before today, right after the blizzard happened, it was just all snow, right? But after a day later, it kind of melted, but everything turned to ice. So my driveway was covered in ice, and the roads were ice. I was going to go down to the lake, but the train's coming in, so I had to take a different route today. Oh, hey guys. Well, I just like went up hill and now I'm like back downhill. I'm currently walking around and the roads are very icy. So let me give you a tip. Hold on. So you see all this pad of snow. When the roads are covered in ice and there's like no sidewalk, walk on a pad of snow. Like there, that's kind of like ice. But like walking pad of snow will like increase your chances of not slipping. And yeah. So as you see, it's getting quite dark. So I'm gonna end it right here. Hopefully you'll enjoy it and see you all in the next vlog.